afternoon, everyone. It's just after 12. Anti-Dress 2025 has started. Already are you?
Okay.
Yeah, we'll be.
Who going to be the
And the music's
winner?
going out, so let's have a walk around. See
Who's going to be the winner? For the winner is going to be all inclusive in Hotel Professional. We have two numbers. Number 1515. Come on the stage, girls. And number 1. Come on the stage. Number 15.
So right now at the main stage they have started back there with a costume contest,
What's your name?
and I guess the DJ will come probably a bit later on.
Marion from Scotland.
But there's so many people over here. 30,000 are expected for today. Of course, definitely not all of them are over here.
Ladies and gentlemen, Benidorm is drinking alcohol on the job. I love
So this is the Avenida Filipinas, one of those streets we're going to discover later on as well during the day. Right now it's still quite calm over here, so we'll save this one for later. Just the tour through all the back streets which are off the strip. They are busy as well, loads of people over there, and things you usually don't see during fancy dress, as most people tend to stay over here on the main strip where all the big bars are. But we're gonna explore those as well during the day, so don't forget guys, do give a like, do subscribe for more videos from today from fancy dress here in Benidorm. By the way, it's beautiful weather, almost clear skies, just a few small clouds. Temperatures are gonna rise up until 25 degrees, so definitely a hot one for November. One of the more busy areas as well. Just as the beginning, near Morgan's Haven, where we just were. It's gonna be the same. Will become more popular back there. Until now, people mostly staying really on the strip and not towards all the nightlife clubs over there. Got the Marina hotel with a big pool. That's your boxing now. This morning when we walked here, this was one of the more busier areas around, especially lots of people getting breakfast in. Gotta start the day good, of course. Right now, the bars have opened up like Andy's over here and are completely filled up immediately. that was it, guys. First walk of the strip today. Of course, the party is still starting. Lots of people still have to arrive, so we're curious to see how busy it will go on and be later on during the day. Don't forget, do give a like, do subscribe, and if you want to see how this morning was, check out this video over here.